people, I'm Donyetta. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Dyetta, where we discuss all things fabulous. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of the September Delta box. Before we get started, if you're a new viewer, I want to say welcome. I hope that you enjoy your time here. If you're a return viewer, I want to say thank you for rocking with me. I appreciate you. If you have not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And when you subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you'll never miss the upload of a new and fabulous video. Here on this YouTube channel, we discuss all things fabulous. It is truly a lifestyle channel. We discuss everything from fashion, beauty, hair, to travel vlogs, you name it, I have it. So if you think that's something that interests you, you are in the right place. So for those of you who do not know, the Delta box is a subscription-based box that is exclusively for the sorors of Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated. There will be a link in the description box below if you would like to gift a box to a soror, or if you are a soror of Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated and would like your own subscription, you can use that link and save $10 off of your first box. All right, so let's get into the contents of the September Delta box. All right. So every month has a theme, and this month's theme is Run the Yard. It says the countdown is on. Homecoming season is in the air as sorors are traveling near and far to touch down on the campus of their beloved colleges and universities. I love that. What is in the box? The Delta Sigma Theta red and white varsity cardigan, as well as the Delta Sigma Theta crimson and gold envelope card wallet. All right, let's see what we got. Well, how cute is this? So here is the card wallet. It has more than enough ample spots. Let's see, I see 1, 2, 3, 4 slots for cards. And there's also a zipper compartment if you want to put coins and whatnot. So that is absolutely adorable. I absolutely will be making use of that. And here is the cardigan. Okay, so off bat, I can tell that this is really great quality. It is really, really thick. Look at that. Lovely, lovely, lovely. And as you can see, you have Delta Sigma Theta going on the left hand. This is my left, down the left-hand side. And here on the right sleeve, we have 13, of course, for 1913. So I love the stripe detail right here. There's another stripe on the same right-hand side on the lower pocket. And it does have pockets on both sides. As I mentioned, it is a really thick quality. And I am absolutely in love. The buttons are on here sturdy. I will say this, the clothing items in the Delta box never disappoint. For reference, I am 5'5", and my Delta box subscription is a size medium, in case you were looking for a reference point for when you get ready to order your own subscription box. I hope that you enjoyed this video. That is what is in the September Delta box. Of course, I will be back to show you guys what is in the October box. I'm always looking forward to unboxing these items and showing them to you. I'll also post some pictures and video on my Instagram. So if you head on over there, my Instagram is Dyetta. That is just an abbreviation of my name, Donyetta. And until next time, I will catch you guys later. Stay fabulous.